Baseball cap as an improvised weapon. What I'm about to show you is not to replace training, but to add to it. If you can't fight empty-handed, the cap won't help. Facing my aggressor, hands up, non-threatening. But I know in this moment, if I wait one more second, I'm going to get hit, tackled, stabbed, or worse. That's when I go. That's when I'm going to use my cap as an improvised weapon. With the cap, I can wipe down the face, and then I can follow up with a palm heel strike. Now, you can follow up with hand strikes, elbows, knees, or kicks. It's your choice in the moment. With the cap, I can place it in their face quickly to blind them, and then I can follow up. Obviously, I can throw the cap into their face and then follow up. If I'm holding the cap, I can strike with the bill. I can strike with the bill to the face to blind or to distract and then follow up. I can use an X or X motion on that face and then follow up. I can also strike with the brim. Hold the bill and strike with the firm brim. With the brim, I can strike to the throat and then I can follow up. I can strike underneath that nose and then I can follow up. I can strike into the eye and then follow up. But you have to practice, practice,